to at sea, of course, another fun day. What I did today? Oh, playing cards. The last time I was playing cards was when I was in a summer camp in 1980 something. But we had so much fun, of course, with a couple of Bloody Marys. And after that, I decided to do some line dancing. You never know when you need to know the steps. The lesson was quite fun and was quite busy. And of course, after all that food and the alcohol last night, I need to do some exercise. No. Wasn't the gym. It was just a walk around the ship, like I normally do today. 1.4 miles. I was a good boy. It's the walking Madeira. In the evening, Cunard scheduled the black and white ball, a typical Cunardian event. So we're invited to a cocktail, an exclusive cocktail, exclusive-ish, I would say, because in the years before, when we traveled with Cunard, the cocktail was for Princess and Queen's Grill. This year, cutting the budget, we invite Britannia Club too. Quite interesting. I never saw such a parade of cheap shoes, Primark and Matalan dresses and tuxedos in my entire life, but it was quite fun. What I didn't like was, one, the cheap sparkling wine, pretending to be champagne. Second, the waiters with the nibbles running away, yeah, I speak good English, running away from the guests. But we come back into our cabin and have our own gin and tonic, champagne and nibbles. And tonight we decided to spoil ourselves. The show tonight in the theater is Palladium night, and we decided to have a box. It's an event that I do recommend to try it at least once. If you feel a little bit special, it's a little bit different, and it's quite fun. Tomorrow, another day at sea. Stay tuned, I will come back tomorrow.